Micron just reported a 40% drop in revenue for Q4 2024. That sounds rough, right?
Yeah, it's definitely a steep decline. They pulled in $4 billion in revenue this quarter, and compared to last year, that's a big hit. The memory chip market is extremely volatile. Right now, we're seeing a downturn because of oversupply and weaker demand. It's cyclical, but Micron has had to cut costs significantly, including layoffs, to manage this.
That sounds like a tough situation. How does this impact the tech world, especially for the products we all use?
Well, even with the downturn, Micron's still a critical player. They're the ones making memory, the stuff that powers your phone, game consoles, and cloud storage. What's interesting is that despite the financial hit, Micron is investing heavily in high bandwidth memory, which is key for AI systems. So while things look bad now, they're betting on future growth in AI and 5G technology.
AI and 5G, those are hot trends. But from a finance perspective, do you think that gamble will pay off?
It is a long game, and that's what makes Micron's strategy interesting. They've been slashing expenses, but they're also increasing investment in R&D for things like high-bandwidth memory and storage for AI. If AI continues to grow as projected, Micron could be in the perfect spot. But short-term, it's still risky. The market is oversupplied right now, which means profit margins are thin.
So even though Micron's current revenue is down, they're betting on AI and future tech to pull them through.
Yes, not just AI, but also 5G. More devices are being connected to the cloud, which means more data storage is needed. Micron storage technology is going to be essential for handling that influx of data.
Micron is cutting costs, yet still investing. How does that balance work?
It's tricky, but it's common for tech companies in cyclical markets. They have to manage cash flow carefully, which is why you're seeing layoffs and reduced expenses on some fronts. But they also need to prepare for the next cycle of demand, which is why they're putting money into future technologies. It's about surviving now and thriving later.
So what does this mean for the average person? Should we care about what Micron is doing?
Absolutely. Their tech is in your phone, your computer, the cloud storage you use for your photos. If Micron's bet on AI and 5G pays off, you'll feel it in your daily life. Faster apps, better AI recommendations, more responsive devices.
Wow, that's a lot to think about. So, while Micron might be facing some tough times right now, it sounds like they're positioning themselves for a big future. AI, 5G, the cloud. Micron is playing a long game that could impact us all. Thanks to all of you for listening. Catch you next time.